Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most WordPress errors which WordPress users and developers encounter with. I'm going to show you what is the WordPress memory exhausted error, aka what's happened when WordPress eats all available memory on your server, how to troubleshoot it and fix it. Hi guys, my name is Nicola from nnweb.net. Before we start, so make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video if you feel that is valuable to you. Let's go. This is the article on my blog post about fixing this issue here. Some time ago, I have got this problem on my client's website with this critical error. After that, I logged into cPanel and find the error log, and I saw the problem. That was allowed memory size, blah blah blah, exhausted. Okay, see here you can read how did it happen, how I see that problem, and how to check your PHP memory limit. Because you need to make this number or whatever number you have higher. Let's go to the solution because I want to keep this video short. There are two roads. Second is upgrade your hosting plan, and the first one, edit this file. Okay, we are going to edit wp-config.php file in your cPanel, and I'm going to copy this chunk of code and paste it just above this line of text. Okay, when you log to your cPanel, go to File Manager and find this file here. Also you can do that using the FTP, but I don't like this file transfer protocol, and I have one excellent tutorial on how to set up WordPress without FTP. Just check the link down there in the corner. So from your file manager, go to wp-config.php file, edit it, click on edit, and this is your file. Scroll down, of course. And just above this line, that's all stop editing, happy publishing. I wrote it here. Paste this line of code. Don't forget to save the changes and try to reload your page. Let's see what's happening next. If you still encounter the error, edit the file again and increase the memory limit further. Again, if that didn't work for you, there is a chance you may have reached the maximum limit allowed by your hosting provider. In that case, you need to contact them or you can change the hosting provider. Okay guys, this is all for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something cool today. So you can follow me on Twitter. I'm just on the beginning, so every support means I'm going to appreciate that, of course. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.